The control handle activates your lawnmower's engine control cable. It is attached to the mower's handle, and the cable attaches to it. When you lift the handle, it both turns the ignition on and releases the flywheel brake. The control handle can be hit against a wall or fence, causing it to be bent. Replacing the control handle is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old control handle from the mower. I'll remove the control cable from the control handle. Then the control handle will pull out from one side of the upper handle. And I'll pivot it out from the other side. Now I can install the new control handle. First, I'll attach the side with the hook, then squeeze the handle together to install the opposite side. And I'll finish by reinstalling the control cable. And that's how easy it is to install a new control handle on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.